Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 5 to the power of x plus 1 minus 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 90 to find the values of x. In the first step, in here we have x plus 1 and we can write x plus 1 as 5 to the power of x minus 1 plus 2, right? And minus this 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 90. And in next step, if we have a to the power of m plus n, we can write this as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So in here we have 5 to the power of x minus 1 plus 2. So we can write this as 5 to the power of x minus 1 times 5 to the power of 2 and minus 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 90. In here, 5 to the power of x minus 1 is common, so we factor 5 to the power of x minus 1 and this divided by 5 to the power of x minus 1, it will be 5 to the power of 2 and this divided by this, it will be negative 1 is equals to 90. And it will be 5 to the power of x minus 1. In here 5 to the power of 2 it will be 25 and minus 1 is equals to 90. So it will be 5 to the power of x minus 1 times 24, 25 minus 1 will be 24, is equals to 90. In here we divide both of this equation by 24, so this divide by 24 and this divide by 24. So in here this will cancel this and it will be 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 90 over 24. And in next step, we can write 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to, in here 90, we can write 90 as 6 times 15 and 24 we can write this as 6 times 4. So in here this 6 will cancel this and it will be x to the power of 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to 15 over 4. So in next step we apply log to both of this equation. So log of 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equals to log of 15 over 4. So in here from log rules, if we have log of a to the power of b, in here we can take this power, this b outside of log, and it will be b times log of a. So in here we can take this power x minus 1 outside of log and it will be x minus 1 times log 5 is equals to log 15 over 4. So in next step we divide both of this equation by log 5. So this divide by log 5 and this divide by log 5. So in here this log 5 will cancel this log 5 and it will be x minus 1 is equals to, in here we have log 15 over 4 and from log rules in here if we have log a over b, log of a over b, in here we can write this as log of a minus log of b. So in here we can write log of 15 over 4 as log 15 minus log 4, right? And over log 5. So in next step we separate this fraction and it will be x minus 1 is equals to log 15 over log 5 minus log 4 over log 5. So in next step it will be x minus 1 is equals to, in here we have log 15 and we can write 15 as log 3 times 5, right? And over log 5 minus, in here we have log 4, and we can write 4 as log 2 to power of 2 over log 5. And in next step, from log rules, if we have log a times b, in here we can write this as log a plus log b. So in here we have log 3 times 5, so we can write in here x minus 1 is equals to log 3 plus log 5, right? And over log 5 minus, in here we have log 2 to power of 2, and we can take this power outside of log, so it will be 2 times log 2 over log 5. So in next step, it will be x minus 1, and in here we separate this fraction, and it will be log 3 over log 5 plus log 5 over log 5 and minus 2 log 2 over log 5. And in next step, in here log 5 over log 5 will be v. It will be 1, right? So it will be x, we take this negative 1 to this side, so it will be x is equals to, in here we have 1, we take this negative 1 to this side, it will be positive 1, and plus log 3 over log 5, and minus 2 times log 2 over log 5. So it will be x is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 2 log 2 over log 5. So in next step, from log rules, if we have log a over log b, we can write this as log of a to base b. So in here we can write this x as x is equals to 2 plus log 3 over log 5, so we can write this as log 3 to base 5, and minus 2 times log 2 over log 5, so we can write this as log of 2 to base 5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.